Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 Porsche Cayenne in this Montego Blue metallic. Really nice color. Has 21-inch Spyder Design Wheels. See, it also has roof rails, and the tow package is set up with the hitch here. And it also has sport exhaust tips. Let's take a look inside. Go to the back area first. The Crest on the headrest back here, as well as in front. Panoramic sunroof. It's got the shade across right now, of course. Then back here we have 4-zone climate control. And we also have heated seats for both the driver and passenger back here. The sound system is a Bose system. We have the memory settings for the seats and mirrors, steering wheel. Porsche's 14-way seats, probably the most common and some people think the most comfortable. Again, got the logo on the headrest here. This one is equipped with Sport Chrono. Sport Chrono adds the stopwatch up here on the dash, as well as a dial down here that easily goes from normal to sport plus mode, or there's also an off-road mode setting here too. You also, with Sport Chrono, you get a sport response button. When you press this button when you're on the highway, it will instantly shift down a couple gears and be at the optimal engine speed to overtake whatever you're looking to pass. Coming over here to console, you can see that we do have surround view. With surround view, you can pick your camera angle, which is very handy in certain parking situations. This also has the parking support, so it will help you to park the car into either parallel spaces or spaces that you're pulling into. Down here in the console, of course, we have both heated and ventilated seats. We do have a heated steering wheel as well, which is nice, especially in colder climates, and adaptive cruise. And that's you can see that by this paddle down here in the middle of the cruise control stalk. So just a really nice, well-equipped Cayenne, brand new, as it sits, 12 miles on it. If you'd like any more details, reach out, Randy Witt at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. It's 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.